Hey Gary, how's it going? This is Ariel Oliver with Phoenix Marketing Path, and I wanted to shoot you this quick video to kind of show you some ways that you can really drive business online. And you can do that by utilizing content, citations, and backlinks, and I'll explain each of those in this quick video. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So potential clients usually find your services through search engines like Google. And the way Google kind of connects customers to companies is by the amount of content you have on your website. So Google looks for at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, but not just any words. You want to definitely have those keywords that potential customers are searching for right now. So words like air conditioning repair in Phoenix, Phoenix air conditioning repair, things of that nature. You can also add words behind images. So if I click on this image and I go to save image as, what comes up is something unrecognizable on Google. So you definitely want to save your photos with keywords like air conditioning repair, air conditioning installation, or anything like that in order to really drive that traffic to your website. So I want to look at some of your competitors. So if I go to Parker's & Son, which is one of your top competitors, when I first click on their page, they have a catchy video. They're also targeting very specific keywords like air conditioners in Phoenix, air conditioning repair, quality air conditioning repair. And they have quite a few words, but not 1,000. So definitely by adding that 1,000 to 1,500 words to your page will help you outrank your competitors. So the next thing I want to talk about are what we call citations. So I'm going to head back to Google. And when I search one of the top keywords that are being searched in your area, air conditioning repair in Phoenix, what comes up first are what we call paid ads. Only about 20% of people actually click on a paid ads. Majority of people either click here on the Google My Business page, map pack, or they click on organically ranking websites down here. So when it comes to the Google Map Pack, one way to really rank highly on this Google Map Pack is by adding citations. And what citations are online directories that have your company's name, your company's phone number, and your company's address. So I want to take a look at how many citations you have versus your competitors. So I use a system called Whitespark, and it kind of allows me to see which citations you have versus your competitors. And right now, 911 Air Repair LLC currently has 39 citations. So it looks like you're kind of in the middle of the pack. Some HVAC companies have 42, 62. One of your top competitors has, Parker's & Son has 76 citations. So by adding citations and getting to that 100 range, you can totally dominate your market and rank highly on that Google Map Pack. So the next thing I want to talk about are what we call backlinks. So if I go back to Google, and after the Google My Business Map Pack, we have organically ranking websites. And one way to really organically rank on Google is by adding what we call backlinks. And what backlinks are other websites linking back to your website in order to give you power. So let's say there was a company that was a contract company that sold residential and commercial buildings. On their website, they would have something like, for your HVAC needs, contact 911 Air Repair. And their customers will click on that link, and that will direct them back to your website and give you power. So I want to compare the amount of backlinks you have versus your competitor. So I use a system called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see basically the back end of websites. And it currently lets me know that you have 85 backlinks, and you are targeting over 114 keywords. And out of those 114 keywords, you're actually ranking for about 29 of them. So I'm going to deep dive and see which words you're ranking for. So when I look at your keywords, I pretty much focus on volume. Volume lets me know how many words on average customers are searching for this keyword in your area. Also look at KD. KD is keyword difficulty, and it allows me to see on average or how hard would it be for you to rank on Google compared to your competitors. And also look at the position to see which position you have for that keyword. You want to make sure that you stay in the top 1 to 3 position for a particular keyword in order to really rank highly on Google. So air conditioning, Maricopa, Arizona, about 80 people are searching for that keyword per month. So that's a really good word to rank for. And it looks like you're ranking in that second position for that keyword. AC repair, AZ, about 70 people are searching for that word. So that's a good word to add, to have. AC repair contractors, over 400 people are searching for this word. It looks like you're in the 56th position, so you definitely want to put more power towards this word in order to outrank your competitors. It looks like you're focusing on Maricopa, which is really good because that's exactly where you're located. The biggest city towards you is Phoenix, so you definitely want to implement some keywords into your website that generate traffic from the Phoenix area. So the next thing I want to do is look at one of your top competitors. So if I look at Parker's and Son, it lets me know that they have over 6,000 backlinks. So you definitely want to increase your backlinks from that 85 to that 7, even 8,000 range. It looks like they are targeting over 3,000 keywords. So I definitely want to deep dive into their keywords. So air conditioning repair Phoenix is a keyword that we looked at earlier, and it's generating over 400 searches, and it looks like they're in the 3rd position, so in the top 3 positions for that word. So by really adding that word to your website and adding backlinks and citations to it, you can definitely outrank your competitors and start to generate more business online. So now I want to kind of wrap this up. So I'm going to head back to your website. So in this video, we talked about adding content to your homepage. You definitely want to add that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content to your homepage and really targeting specific keywords that potential customers are looking for. We also talked about citations and how you currently have 39 citations and you want to really get to that 100 range of citations to dominate your market and rank highly on that Google My Business map pack. We also talked about backlinks and how currently you have 85 backlinks and you want to increase that over time to that 7 to 8,000 backlinks to really drive traffic and rank highly on the organically ranking websites on the first page of Google. And by doing those 3 things, you will definitely drive more business online. And you can do this on your own. However, if you want the most effective way and more ways to really drive business online, you can contact me at 602-601-2042, or you can email me at info@phoenixmarketingpath.com. Once again, my name is Aria Oliver, and I look forward to hearing from you soon, Gary, and you have a wonderful day.